So here you can see I got a new type of warning: post removed in your region. Previously we used to get a notification like in some regions or like that, but this is something new that I am seeing first time: post removed in your region. So this was given by Sony Music. So this is a very old video that I have posted. So I don't know how they are giving in such a old video. So here so definitely I have added a music in this video, and maybe that is content by Sony. So I'm not going to submit dispute. In some case submitting dispute work, but nowadays it's very difficult. I mean, if they will reject, if they will reject your appeal, your account may be in a trouble. But now it is safe. So for now I am deleting this video. So I will click on delete video. So now you will see that notification will be removed from here. If I will go to approx 4 hours back, you will see that is removed. So this is what we have to do. Nothing is there to worry in this case. If you will go to a settings and check your account status, you will find it is safe. Account status, you can see you haven't posted anything that is affecting your account, so this will not affect your account. So I hope you will find this video useful.